Let us see our next chapter, surface areas and volumes. In this chapter, we will discuss with areas and volumes of the solid figures of cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere, hollow cylinder and frustum. We will learn the properties of these areas, surface areas, total surface areas and volumes. Now, let us see here serial number, name, figure, LSA or CSA, TSA and volume. Now we will see according to the one figure, serial number 1, the name of the figure is cube. That is a 3-dimensional figure in which length, breadth and height are equal is called a cube. That is length, breadth and height. Lateral surface area is 4a square and the total surface area is 6a square and volume of cube is L cube cubic units. That is the units of area is square units. Here the units of area is square units. The volume is cubic units. Now let us come to the second figure, which is a cuboid. That is a cuboid in which it is also a 3-dimensional figure of the model of the rectangle, in which the length, breadth and height are unequal. In this figure, length, breadth and height are equal in cube, but in this one, length L is not equal to B is not equal to H. Now, lateral surface area is 2H of L plus B. Total surface area 2 into LB plus BH plus HL and volume of a cuboid V is equal to L into B into H and cubic units are the measurements. Now let us come to the third one, is a cylinder. Now it is a model, that is here height is the H and radius is the R. Now curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi RH and total surface area 2 pi R into R plus H and volume of a cylinder is pi R square H. Next, serial number 4 is a cone, that is cone, perpendicular one is called as the height, with the base height makes an angle 90 degrees which is called as the radius, and slant height is denoted with L. Now LSA or CSA is a pi r L. Next TSA pi r into r plus L, and volume is pi r square h by 3. Next, fifth one, sphere. It is also a three-dimensional figure. A sphere has no lateral surface area, but the total surface area is 4 pi r square, and volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Next, sixth one, hemisphere. Hemisphere in hemisphere radius and height both are same. In hemisphere the lateral surface area is 2 pi r square, and the total surface area is 3 pi r square, and volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Next, let us discuss about the frustum, the next one. Frustum is formed by cutting the cone one of its parallel sides, that is, this is the model cone, model frustum obtained from the cone, that is CSA of frustum R1 R2. Radii, two radii it has. The big one is called R1 and the small one is called R2. CSA of frustum, then CSA of cone is a pi RL, then pi L into R1 plus R2. Next, TSA of cone pi into R1 square plus R2 square plus L into R1 plus R2. This is the TSA of cone. Next, TSA of frustum. Volume of the frustum V is equal to, then volume of cone is pi r square h by 3, that is pi h by 3 into R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. This is the formulas of the frustum. CSA pi L into R1 plus R2, TSA pi into R1 square plus R2 square plus L into R1 plus R2. V is equal to, volume V is equal to pi h by 3 into R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. Let us see the next problem. Three cubes are joined end to end of each side 5 centimeters to form a cuboid. Find the surface area of a cuboid. Now let us say 3 cubes are joined end to end of each side 5 centimeters to form a cuboid. That is, let us say cube 1, cube 2 and cube 3 are joined to form a cuboid. Then what is the surface area of the resulting cuboid? That is, each one is 5 centimeter side. That is 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is 15 centimeters is the length. Now cuboid, in this one length, breadth, height is equal to 5 centimeters. Since in cube length, breadth, height are equal, in cuboid length is equal to 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is equal to 15 centimeters, breadth is 5 centimeters and height is also 5 centimeters. That is, there is no change in breadth and there is no change in the height. Now we want to find the surface area of cuboid. A is equal to 2 times of LB plus BH plus HL. That is, A is equal to 2 times of L 15 into 5 plus 5 into 5 plus 5 into 15. That is, A is equal to 2 times 15 5s 75 plus 25 plus 75. That is, A is equal to 2 times of 75 plus 25, 100, 175, 175. That is, A is equal to 2 into 175, 350 centimeters square. Therefore, surface area of cuboid is 350 centimeters square. Let us see the next question. The capacity of a The capacity of a cylindrical tank is 1848 meter cube and diameter of base is 14 meter. Then find the capacity of the depth of the tank. Now let us see, the capacity of a cylindrical tank is 1848 meter cube, that is volume is given, and diameter of the base is 14 meters. Then find the depth of the tank. Let us follow by a diagram. It is a cylindrical tank whose volume is 1848 and whose diameter is 14. That is, diameter is 14 meters. Then find the depth of the tank. Given diameter D is equal to 14 meters. Therefore, radius R is equal to 14 by 2, that is equal to 7 meters. And volume V is equal to given 1848 meter cube. Then volume of a cylinder formula is pi r square h is equal to 1848. That is pi nothing but 22 by 7 into r square nothing but 7 into 7 into h is equal to 1848. Now let us check. 7 get cancelled with the 22 table. 1848, let us check once. That is, if you take one time, it will be the more. That's why take 8 times, 22 eights. 22 eights, 8 twos are 16, 16 plus 1, 17, plus 22. 8 times 176. Now 4 plus 4, 8, 88, that is a 4 times. 88, remainder is 0. That is 22 table, 1848 cancels 84 times. Now the left one is 7 into h is equal to 84. H is equal to 84 by 7. H is equal to 12 meters. Therefore, depth of the tank is 12 meters. Let us see the next problem. Find the length of the canvas 1.5 meters wide required to build a conical tent of base radius 10.5 meters and height 14 meters. Now let us follow by diagram. A, B, C, O, which is the perpendicular height. and base radius is the 10.5, that is the radius is 10.5 meters and height is 14 meters. Now given radius r is equal to 10.5 centimeters and height h is equal to 14 centimeters. Then we have to find the slant height L, that is from triangle AOC, L square is equal to h square plus r square, that is L square is equal to height 14 square plus 10.5, which can be written as 21/2 whole square, that is L square is equal to 14 14s 196 plus 441/4, that is L square is equal to 4 into 196, 1964s, 6 4s are 24, 36 plus 2 38, 4 1s 4 plus 3 7, that is 784/441/4, that is L square is equal to 4 plus 1 5, 8 plus 4 12, 7 plus 4 11 plus 1 12, 1225/4, that is L is equal to root over 1225/4, that is L is equal to 35/2. Therefore here L nothing but slant height L is equal to 35/2. Now after that, now I am ready with my slant height. Now I have to find CSA, curved surface area. Why? Because I have to build a conical tent which is equal to curved surface area of a cone. CSA of cone A is equal to pi RL, that is A equal to 22/7 into radius is 10.5, which is nothing but 21/2 into slant height L is equal to 35/2, that is 7 table 35 5 times. Now 2 table 11 times, that is A is equal to the rest one 11 into 21 into 5/2, that is A is equal to 11 into 21 5s 105/2, this is centimeters square. Now canvas cloth required, canvas cloth required is equal to CSA of cone. In this one, length into breadth is equal to CSA of cone 11 into 105 by 2. Here what I have to find the length of the canvas. That means length I have to find, that is L into breadth is 1.1 equal to 11 into 105 by 2. That is, in the next step I will write this is L is equal to 11 by 10. That is 1.1 can be written as 11 by 10 equal to, that is 11 into 105 by 2. That is equal to 11 get cancelled. That is 2 table 10 cancels 5 times. Therefore L is equal to 105 into 5. Therefore L is equal to 525 meters. Therefore length of canvas cloth, is 525 meters. Let us see the next problem. The curved surface area of a cone is 12320 centimeters square, and base radius is 56 centimeters. Then find height and volume of a cone. The curved surface area of a cone is 12320 centimeters square and base radius is 56 centimeters. Then find height and volume of a cone. Let us follow by diagram. It's a cone model whose height you have to find and whose radius is given 56 centimeters. Now answer: given CSA of cone is equal to 12320 centimeters square. Now that is next, CSA of cone is pi RL, that is pi RL equal to 12320, that is pi 22 by 7 into 56 into L is equal to 12320. Next, 7 table 8 times. Now 22 8s are. Now let us see 22 table whether it cancels or not. 22 table 12320, that is 10 times 5 times 110, 23 is the remainder, 1 time 22, 1 is the remainder, now down to 0. Now 20 table it is not possible, let us check with 8 table. 8 table 12320 is 1 time 8, remainder 4 3. Next 5 times 40, 3 2, 8 fours are 32, that is 8 table